Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay. So in yesterday class, we are discussed about UPI policies. Okay. In today class also, we are going to discuss about few more UPI policy examples. Okay. I'm going to next example. So first of all, I'm going to narrate IT. So we are doing all these examples in parent narrate IT. Okay. So new. I hope today we have new joinings. Somebody joined with iPhone and Rajkumar is today new. Oh, so here the requirement is, third requirement is, if name having some value, if name is not empty, make email and manager field visible and mandatory. If name is not empty, make email and manager field visible and mandatory. Okay, third way policy. If not empty, make email comma manager field visible and mandatory. Just the same. If name is not empty, make email comma manager fields visible and mandatory. You can come. I'm just taking duplicate window. Duplicate. So configure UI policy. Okay. I'm clicking on new button. So I'll just copy this. Okay. Name is not empty. Is not empty. If name is not empty, I'm just saving the UI policy. I will create a UI policy action for email comma manager. Okay. Then scroll down. I'm going to UI policy actions. New email mandatory true visible to submitting. Next UI policy action for manage manager mandatory true visible to just submitting it. Yeah, I have successfully created UI policy. You can come and refresh here. Seconds. There is no email and manager fields in the form. So I'm just entering some name here. Once email comma manager is updated. Email comma manager is updated. So here if you have any queries, let me know. Any queries? If no, I will go to the other example. Okay, fine. So for example, in this parent narration IT, I'm creating one field. I'm going to configure form layout. I'm just creating field called business justification. Okay. I can say string large. And split I'm using here. I'm just adding this field. Okay. So close. My next example is if title is Mr. If title is Mr. Okay. And if title is Mr. and email contains email. So for example, I'm keeping something like answer. Email contains email ends with at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. Then I want to make business justification visible and read only. Okay. I want to make business justification visible and read. First of all, you can note on that. If title is Mr. and email ends with at the rate of gmail.com. Okay. Then make visible business justification visible comma and read on that. Okay. So here you can see if we are making title is Mr. and email ends with at the rate of gmail.com. We have to make business justification visible and read on. Okay, we'll do that. I'm just copying this. Copy. Confirm. So I'm just taking duplicate window. Configure repair policies. I'm taking new web policy. Yeah, so I just copy paste. Here, what is the condition? Title is Mr. Okay, I'm just taking title is Mr. And email ends with at the rate of gmail.com. Email ends with at the rate of gmail.com. I'm just saving. Okay. You can come and create web policy action. We have to make business justification, read only true and visible true. Okay. I'm going to business justification, visible true, read only true. I'm just submitting. Okay. Yes, we have completed this web policy. So I'm just refreshing this pair inheritance to form. Yes. Here I'm giving title Mr. Name I'm giving Anji something. Male I'm giving gender. Here I'm giving so Anji dot Babe at the rate of gmail.com. You can see. Business justification is visible and read only. Okay. And for example, here you can say I'm making gmail1.com. Gmail, oh, gmail1.com. What happened? So title is Mr. and Gmail ends with at the rate of gmail.com. Then only business justification will be visible and read only. But here we kept wrong condition. So you can see in the email it is gmail1.com. That's what it is not appearing. Okay. Now I just removed one there. Okay. Now it is working fine. Here you can see in the title instead of Mr. I will select Miss. Again, what happening? Again, the web policy condition is shown. So here title is Miss. That's what this web policy is not working. Title is Mr. and the email ends with at the rate of gmail.com. Then only business justification visible and read only. Okay. So in this UI policy, if you have any queries, let me know.
Ajay, I have one doubt.
Okay.
If UA balls applies on the parent table, that will be
Come to the child
applied.
table. Yeah,
Yeah,
child
yeah.
table that I haven't explained. In today class, we are going to see that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Victoria, you have any queries?
No.
Okay. So next, in yesterday class, we have discussed about the, okay, onload. We have discussed about the onload option and reverse if false. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about this global option. Okay. Before going to a discussion with global option, so we will check whether parent array schedule table having any views or not. Okay. You can come. Definitely we don't have. Okay. So here I will create a views. Here I will create a views. I'm just going to configure list layout. Sorry, configure list layout. I'm creating two. I will create two views. One is mobile view and another one is self-service view. Okay. So I'm going to view name, new. First I'm saying self-service view. Okay. In self-service view, I don't want created. 1 minute, 1 minute. So we can take any one example space. Title has any value display gender. Title, gender, name, manager. Okay. You can see here I don't want here I want title in the self-service view. I want name. I want manager as well, email as well. Okay. So these are the title, name, gender, email, manager. Like what are the fields we are excluding? ID and business justification. That is fine. Okay. So yes, we have successfully created mobile view, sorry, self-service view. Now I'm going to create a form view. So if we are creating a mobile view, definitely we have to create form view. Okay. I'm going to configure form layout. So use new view. So here I'm selecting self-service. So previously I have created self-service view multiple times. That's why it is showing in the drop down. Okay. Like it's related to this Google browser saves something, right? Some data, right? So that's what it is showing as self-service, all these options. Okay. For you, you have to type. Okay. Yes, I have created self-service view. In self-service view, I don't want ID. I don't want business justification. Okay, I'm just saving it. Self-service. Next, again, I'm going to parent narration IT list view. Again, I'm going to parent narration IT list view. Okay, just select. And I'm going to list a configure list layout. So here I'm creating new view called mobile view. Mobile view. Okay. I'm saying okay. Now you can select mobile view here. We lost after saving the mobile view, we lost the view here. Okay. I just selecting the mobile. Here I want only these three fields. Here I want only these three fields. Title, name, gender. I'm just saving it. You can come to the Naresh IT parent table, form view. Yes, I'm going to call form layout. Here also I will create a view called mobile. I'm going to new, so mobile. So I'm going to view mobile. So in this mobile view, I don't want ID. Even I don't want other fields here. Okay, I'm just removing it also and then save. Mobile view, I want to display only these fields. Okay, so I'm just close. Yeah, you can see. So here I'm saying Anji. Now we are in self-service view. That's why it is displaying all these fields. Okay. Now I will just change the view here. Okay. To mobile view. So leave it. You can click on new button. Here you can see. Here it is showing only two fields. Mobile view. Okay. Yes. We have default view, self-service view, mobile view. Now I'm just opening all the UI policies against this parent table. I'm going to configure form layout. Sorry, it's not form layout. We have to go for UI policies. Configure UI policies. Okay. Yes, you can open any one example. So here I'm trying to take this example. If title has the any value, display gender. If title has any value, display gender. Okay. If title has, make gender field visible. If title has, title is not empty. Okay. So here I'm going to advanced view. Here I'm going to advanced view. You can see here we are making title visible and title visible on. Sorry, gender visible. We are making as gender visible here. Okay. You can come. So I'm just removing the global. If we are removing global means if we make global true here, okay, it will, this UI policy will apply to all form views. This UI policy will apply to all form views. So I'm just removing this global. Okay. And here I'm selecting mobile view. Here I'm selecting mobile view. We have created two views, right? Mobile, self-service and default. You can see when we click on the view, well, it is displaying all the views. I'm just going to mobile. Okay, saving it. Now, this based upon the title field making gender field visible, I made view specific. Okay, this UI policy I need to apply only on the mobile view, only on the mobile view. We can come and see what happening here. Leave. I'm going to parent array it. So first of all, I'm going to default view. I'm going to default view. You can open. What happened to gender field? Is that UI policy applied here? Tell me. Is that UI policy applied? No, it is not applied. Tell me, team. So, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. That UI policy here, it is not applied. Okay. Next. So, now again, I'm going to parent array it. Okay. So, I'm just going to self-service view. So, I'm clicking on new form. You may open existing form also. No issues. You can see. Title is empty, gender is also empty. Is that UI also applying for this self-service view? Not. Okay. Again, I'm going to parent array it. So here I'm selecting mobile view. Now you can open the form. Here the UI policy is applying. You can see if I select title. Now the gender field is not visible. If we select title field some value, then gender field is visible. That means this view specific UI policy is applying for mobile view only because we selected mobile view there. Okay. So generally, like based upon the views, based upon the views, we will display the fields on the forms and lists, right? Why we have use concept? So in organization, we have multiple designations, we have multiple roles. So based upon the role, we are displaying the forms and lists to the users. But if he is the end user, we are displaying only few fields on the forms and lists. If it is a approver, we are displaying some set of fields. If it is a steward user, we are displaying some set of fields like that. Okay. Even we are displaying some specific fields. Okay. Even maybe on that fields we have UA policies. Okay. Based upon the value we have selected, we have to display other value. Okay. At that time, we will write a view specific UA policies. Any queries here on view specific UA policies? Victoria, you have any queries? Hari, Rajkumar, no?
No queries.
Yeah, Shanti, you have any queries? Srinivas, yes, Srinivas, tell me.
No, I'm okay.
Oh, yeah. Like this is how we will create a view specific UI policies. Yes, my explanation is completed. I'm just making as a global UI policy. Okay. So till now we have created UI policies on the parent table. Till now we have created on the UI policies on parent table. I'm just closing all the tabs. Okay. We can go to the child table once again. Child Naresh IT. Okay. I'm saying Naresh IT here. Now I'm going to child Naresh IT. We can see what happening to child Naresh IT. What happened to child Naresh IT? Any fields are appearing here first of all? No. We can configure the fields. I'm going to configure form layout. So ID, title, name, gender, email, manager, business justification. Then these are the fields. Yeah, I have updated everything. We can bring this begin split and splits. This split I'm making that here. Just to say, you can see. Now the child narration should be like this. Okay. So basically, this child narration table is extending from the parent narration table. Extending from the parent narration table. Okay. So, like whenever we created UI policies on the parent table, it will automatically come to the child table. But here it is not. Do you know why? So we have to keep inherit true on parent table UI policy. Now I'm just to configure UI policies. I'm just going to configure UI policies. You can see these all are the these UI policies on the parent table. Okay. So I just open. You can open all UI policies. Yeah, I'm opening all 4 UI policies here. Okay. It's loading. I'm just making inherit true. So here I'm going to advanced view. So in all forms, I will open advanced view. Yeah. Now I'm just making inherit true. That means this UI policy is extended to the child table. Okay. If we make inherited true, it will extend to the child table as well. Yes. For the this UI policy also I'm making inherited true. So inherit true. So yes, for 4 UI policies, I just make inherited true. Now you can come to the child narration table again. You can see what happened. So I'm going to child narration table. Clicking on new button. UI policies are applied or not? Yes, UI policies are applied. Okay. Okay. So gender, I'm selecting male and g@gmail.com. Then business specification also appear. Okay. Like this, we will apply UI policies to the child table by making inherited true to the UI policy and parent table. Here, if you have any queries, tell me about this inherited. Yes, Shanti and Rajkumar. So I hope you may
Yeah,
not.
yeah. Anji, here I want to change. If I want to update any things of belongs to parent child or like UI child parent, can I add something? Some of the few things in the futures. Can I update at that time?
Yes, in the UI policies, right? Yeah, if you
Yeah.
want to update, yes, you can. But if you are updating UI policy, it will apply to both parent and child if you are inherited. Okay, that
Okay.
UI policy inherited, it will apply to both.
Okay.
Hmm.
Got it.
Yes. Yes,
Yes, I'm
Shanti.
understanding.
Okay.
I'm understanding.
Like, do you have idea earlier about the service now?
No, I just got through your.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Even if you are not understand, no issues. Slowly you will understand. Okay, because this is
Yeah.
first class, right? Even
Yes.
Rajkumar.
Yeah, understand.
Okay. Next, I'm going to next example. Okay. I can say fifth example. So my next example is, we can note down the UI policy example and the related list. Okay. Okay. So maybe I will explain you fifth example on the instant table. I'm closing all the tabs. You can come to the instant list view, incident. Maybe I'm opening any one existing instant as of now. Okay. So here my requirement is, if incident state is resolved, closed, cancelled. If incident state is any one of resolved, closed, cancelled state, then I want to hide a task SLA related list. Okay, I want to hide a task SLA related list. You can come here and note down, if incident state is state one of resolved, closed, and cancelled. If instance state is one of resolved, closed, and cancelled, then make task SLM related list hidden. Okay, got it, everyone? So if instance state is either resolved, closed, or cancelled, okay, we have to hide this task SLA related list. This is the use. So I'm just copying the use case. I'm going to configure UI policy. In instant form, I'm creating new UI policy. Okay, new. So in incident form, we have a related list, right? That's why I shifted my example to instant form. Okay. Here we have to select our condition state is one of. Yes, is one of. Resolve, close, cancel. I'm just saving this UVI policy. You can see here we have selected only cancel. Yeah, we have to select 3 states: resolved, closed, cancel. Again, I'm saving. Since folder. Here till now we have written UVI policy actions. Okay. Now I'm going to write a UVI policy related list action. Yes, I just going to UVI policy related action. I'm clicking on new button. List name, task SLA. This is the list name. We have to hide. That's why I'm making visible false. If instant state is resolved or closed or cancelled, we have to hide this task SLA related list. I'm just submitting. Yes, our UVI policy is completed. Our UVI policy is completed. Now we can go to the any one existing incident and we can verify that. Okay. Yes, I'm going to incident. So here you can see what happening. Here state is new. Okay. Now task SLA related list is appearing. Now I'm just changing this state to result. Is the task SLA related list appearing here? No, it is hidden. You can see task SLA related list is hidden. So again, I'm making this instance state is in progress. Again, task SLA is appearing. Okay. Maybe I'm canceling. I'm just making cancelled this instance. Again, task SLA related list is hidden. Okay. I'm just making on hold. You can see again task SLA related list is appearing. I may keeping it in resolved state. You can see task SLA related list is hiding. Okay. This is the one example on the instant form, like for a related list. Okay, I'm just deactivating this UVI policy after my explanation. Yes, team. So here, if you have any queries, let me know. Victoria, you have any queries? Jaya, Lakshmi, Sai, Lata, any queries?
No.
Okay.
No.
So if no, then I'm going to the next example. So in previous classes, I have given one task to you, right, for homework. I'm just going to that task. Yeah, now I'm going to write some UVI policies on this table. Okay, this issue management table. Okay. Now I'm going to create a table, issue management system. So you can see tables. Yeah, here we already discussed about how to create a table and how to create a fields. Okay. So I will just create a table on speed. Issue management system. Yeah, here we want auto number as well. Just making auto number. Close dot form configure form layout. What are the fields we have to create? Type of issue, choice type. Type of issue, add. Next. Do you want to create incident? Want to create incident? So do you want to create problem? This is also choice. Next. Is instant already available? These are true or false fields. I'm just making true or false here. Is instant already available? Is problem already available? Just making true or false. Next, I'm going to reference fields. We have two reference fields. One is an incident table. I'm just selecting incident. So field name also incident. Another is on problem table. Problem. I'm just selecting the problem table field. Okay. Add. Yes, incident and problem we have added. Then we have string fields. New incident. New problem. Yeah, team, like this meeting will end in 1 minute. So please join again with the same meeting ID if meeting ends. Okay. Issue description, detailed issue description. Issue description. Detailed issue description. Okay, these are the fields I just created. Oh, this detailed issue description is a larger text. Okay. Yeah, maybe I will update you later.